This rain did not come by chance. According to forecasts, warm air currents from the sea have deepened into the low-pressure area in the province, strongly promoting atmospheric instability and causing intense rains. The situation in the cities of Matsuyama and Imber has become even more urgent as the Japan Meteorological Agency has issued a warning of record-breaking heavy rainfall, asking residents to be vigilant. Tonight, Matsuyama is expected to get an additional 100 mm of rain in just 1 hour, while in Imber, it can reach 120 mm over a long period of time. Intensive warning that, if the rain continues at this intensity, the level of flooding will increase rapidly and may cause difficult consequences. To ensure safety, the Maxima city government issued a warning at the highest speed, level 5, and urgently asked all residents in 10 key areas, including Misae, Shimizu, Dogo, and Hishomi wards, to evacuate. A total of 189,000 households across the province have been asked to take emergency protective measures. In particular, families living near rivers such as Okawa and Kumagawa, where water levels rise uncontrollably, need to move immediately to ensure the safety of their lives. The water has flooded many areas of Matsuyama City, and the roads have quickly become rivers. The image at the current school shows the water sprinting, washing away everything on the way. Houses and water were submerged, utilities could not be converted, and all activities in the city were almost completely paralyzed. According to a report from the city's fire department, as of 4 p.m. today, more than 20 serious flooding points have been recorded, in which many places the water supply is beyond ankle level, making it extremely difficult to move. In Imber, the situation is no more feasible when at least 2 buildings have been completed and another 22 buildings are suffering from flooding on the slopes. The roads around the area have been submerged, with strong currents making it dangerous for people to travel. The public transportation system has also been heavily impacted. JR Shikoku train lines, especially the Yosin line, had to be shut down between Iyoyo and Matsuyama stations, as well as between Iyo City and Iyo Yumari, due to rainfall exceeding the safe threshold. Not only trains, but IoT to the bus service and Iyo Rail were also forced to suspend the impact of record rainfall. All utility vehicles were almost paralyzed, hindering movement and rescue work. The situation in Matsuyama and surrounding areas does not stop at the flooded area. Experts warn that prolonged heavy rain has made the soil weak and vulnerable. The risk of soil erosion is high, especially in hilly areas and steep terrain. The Matsuyama Meteorological Observatory has urged residents to be on high alert for the danger of the soil from now until tomorrow morning, when the rain continues to move down and the landslide becomes more serious than ever. At the same time, the weather forecast shows that heavy rain accompanied by a local cyclone may continue to occur in Ehime Prefecture from this afternoon to tonight. These lightning strikes will increase the risk of flooding in low-lying areas and high river levels, threatening the lives of thousands of people in the area. Overall, the weather situation in Maxima and surrounding areas does not show signs of being feasible. experts predict that low pressure in the East China Sea, stretching from the west to eastern Japan, will continue to bring warmth into the region, making climate conditions even more unstable. The rain, which lasted from 7 a.m. to 5 a.m. this morning, produced 62.5 mm of rainfall in Omishima Ime City, 56.5 mm in Tamaga Ime City, and 53.0 mm in Imber. With rainfall forecast to reach 40 mm per hour in the next 24 hours, the situation at Maxima will remain complicated. Local authorities are ready to deal with the worst, but people still need to be vigilant. Please continue to follow our newsletter for more information and actions to protect your family's safety.